Sjoe, dis so lekker. Dis ongelooflik. Hallo en welkom terug by Afrikaans met Lindie. Hi and welcome back to Afrikaans with Lindie. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to express joy, wonder, and surprise. The first phrase I'm going to teach you is something we use in Afrikaans a lot. The word is lekker. You can say, "Sjoe, lekker" means wow, great, lekker. Lekker means quite a lot of things. It can mean awesome, fun, cool, delicious, tasty, sweet. It also means candy. So you can use it in a lot of different situations. If someone asks you, how is the food? Hoe is die kos? Hoe is die kos? How's the food? You can say, dit is lekker. It is nice, it's tasty. Dis lekker. Dit is means it is. And you can shorten it to dis. So, dis lekker. The next phrase is, dis wonderlik. That means, that's wonderful. Sjoe, dis wonderlik. Sjoe means like, wow. If you want to say, that's wonderful news, you can say, sjoe, dis wonderlike nuus. Nuus is news, and the word wonderlik changes to wonderlike because it's describing the news. Sjoe, dis wonderlike nuus. That's great news. So now you know wonderlik, which is wonderful. Can you guess what fantastic is? Fantasties. Dis fantasties. That's fantastic. Dis fantasties. If you just want to say something's good, goed means good. So you can say, dis goed. That's good. Or, dis baie goed. That's really good. Now you already know nuus, so how do you say, that's very good news? You don't say dis baie goed nuus. The word goed has to change, like wonderlik becomes wonderlike. Goed becomes goeie. Dis goeie nuus. That is good news. Dis goeie nuus. If something is unbelievable, you can say ongelooflik. Ongelooflik. Dis ongelooflik. That's unbelievable. That's amazing. You can also use ongelooflik as a descriptor in the sense that that's amazingly easy or that's amazingly difficult. So, dis ongelooflik maklik. Maklik means easy. So, that's unbelievably easy. Dis ongelooflik maklik. You want to say that's unbelievable news, you say dis ongelooflike nuus. Dis ongelooflike nuus. And remember to add sjoe or baie. Sjoe, dis baie ongelooflike nuus. Wow, that's really unbelievable news. Dankie dat julle gekyk het. Thanks for watching. Sien julle later. Bye!